Imagine if Napoleon Hill were alive today, not writing with pen and paper, but using artificial intelligence, creating viral content with a single click, and turning ideas into profit in just a matter of hours. Think and Grow Rich, his classic on mindset and wealth, was written in 1937. But the principles that shaped millionaires throughout the 20th century are more alive than ever. Now powered by data, algorithms, and global reach. If you're tired of feeling stuck and want to learn how to turn your thinking into a machine of opportunities, this video is for you. Today we're going to reveal how the fusion of a focused mind and modern technology is creating a new generation of digital millionaires, and how you can become one of them, even starting from scratch. Before thinking about millions, you need to think like a millionaire. Napoleon Hill spent over 20 years interviewing the wealthiest men in America to uncover the secret of success, and he found that it all starts with a burning desire. Not a vague dream, but a clear obsession with a specific goal. That desire generates faith. Faith fuels action, and repeated action, combined with persistence, creates extraordinary results. Now stop and think. What happens when that mindset meets today's tools? Imagine using artificial intelligence to turn ideas into products, social media to amplify your message, digital platforms to sell, scale, and make an impact. The same mental principles remain the foundation of wealth. Only now, you can multiply your speed of execution like never before. Because in today's game, those who think fast, act smart, and scale digitally win. In the digital world, clarity is not just a mindset, it's a strategic advantage. The algorithms behind YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok all operate under one simple rule: deliver the right content to the right people. But how can the algorithm know what you deliver if you don't even know? This is where Hill's burning desire takes on a new form. Clear positioning. Who are you? What do you offer? And why does it matter? Viral creators, explosive businesses, and fast-growing profiles all have one thing in common: extreme clarity of purpose and audience. A video editor who positions himself as the guy who turns regular videos into reels that sell connects instantly. A channel that says, "I teach you how to make money with AI, even starting from zero," attracts an audience right away. Mental clarity has become emotional SEO. The algorithm rewards those who know what they want, deliver consistently, and speak directly to specific pain points. Today, strategic positioning is more powerful than having money, because those who communicate with precision dominate the game. Napoleon Hill once said, "You become what you think about repeatedly." This is the principle of autosuggestion, the habit of feeding your mind with thoughts, images, and affirmations that reinforce your vision of success. But what if you could automate that mental programming? Today, with the support of technology, you can. There are apps that send daily reminders with your written goals, AI-powered visualization tools that generate realistic images of the lifestyle you want to achieve, and even browser extensions that replace negative phrases with positive affirmations. You can use ChatGPT to generate personalized autosuggestion scripts tailored to your financial, creative, or emotional goals. Instead of waiting for motivation, you build a system where your mind is constantly fed with powerful commands. The truth is, your brain is already being programmed all the time, whether by random content, negative news, or toxic comparisons on social media. The difference now is that you can take control and consciously choose what enters your system. Because when you master your mind, the external world starts to follow. In the book, Hill says wealth doesn't come from willpower alone, it comes from specialized knowledge. The problem? In 1937, learning from the best was expensive, slow, and out of reach. Today, you can learn any high-income skill with just a phone and internet connection. Want to master copywriting, design, video editing, programming, or artificial intelligence? It's all one click away. Platforms like YouTube, Udemy, and even TikTok are filled with practical, updated, and free content. And more, you can use AI itself as your mentor. With ChatGPT, for example, you can create study plans, simulate interviews, review your writing, and solve technical problems in real time. Ordinary people are learning new skills in 30, 60, or 90 days, and monetizing through freelancing, digital products, or content creation. The question isn't whether knowledge is available, it's whether you'll commit to absorbing it, because today those who don't learn fast fall behind. Hill said success is the sum of clear thinking and intelligent action. And in the digital age, intelligent action means knowing what to learn and how to turn it into market value. Napoleon Hill dedicated an entire chapter to the concept of the mastermind, a union of minds with a shared purpose. He said that when two or more people connect with harmony and aligned goals, an invisible force arises that accelerates success. In the digital era, that power has become exponential. Today, you can connect with experts from around the world without leaving your home. Discord groups, Telegram channels, niche forums, and online mentorship communities are goldmines, not just for knowledge, but for partnerships, feedback, and real business opportunities. You learn from others' mistakes, share wins, collaborate, attract clients, and even find co-founders. A beginner creator can grow 10 times faster when surrounded by those who've already walked the path. Isolation slows you down, but strategic collaboration speeds you up. And the most powerful part? You can build your own digital mastermind by inviting the right people and sharing value. Hill was right. No one wins alone. In the digital era, success isn't about who you know in the physical world. It's about who knows and respects you online. Napoleon Hill clearly stated, "Persistence is to the character of man as carbon is to steel." In other words, without consistency, nothing is sustainable. But he also recognized that maintaining discipline is one of the hardest tasks for anyone pursuing wealth. The good news? Today, technology can persist for you. There are apps that automate repetitive tasks, platforms that schedule your posts, AI tools that create content based on your ideas, and productivity systems that keep you focused without draining your mental energy. It's like building a digital version of yourself, one that keeps working even when you rest. And this applies to everything: finances, studying, client outreach, content creation, healthy habits. The persistence that once depended solely on willpower can now be programmed. Automation is scale, and scale is persistence with intelligence. Hill said the richest people are those who do more in less time. In the digital age, those who use tech as an extension of their discipline multiply their results. What Napoleon Hill discovered a century ago was simple, yet eternal. The power of the human mind directed toward a definite purpose. What we have today is a unique opportunity to amplify that power with tools he could have never imagined. You no longer have to wait decades to be heard, seen, or valued. With mental discipline, clear positioning, practical knowledge, and smart use of technology, you can build wealth with speed, scale, and real impact. Think and Grow Rich was never about getting rich quick. It was about continuous inner transformation. But now you can accelerate that process. Your mind is the engine. Artificial intelligence is the fuel, and the internet is the road. The only question left is, will you just consume content or apply it and build something? Because the new era of wealth has already begun, and it rewards those who act with purpose and vision.